Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how this new mega vol indicator performed in today's trading. This was an indicator that I just published a couple days ago, did a short video on it, and I got tons of comments, questions, interest. So I figured I would do a quick follow-up video, really give you guys the rundown, give you the scope, and to be honest with you, I'm going to show you how this new mega vol indicator has basically made me unbeatable, at least so far. I love it. The setups are just incredible. You wouldn't believe how accurate these setups are. So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you a trading system and a trading technique that's going to work on any market, any symbol, any time frame. And it's my sincere hope that this new mega vol indicator is going to turbocharge your trading technical analysis. All right, so let's get into it, guys. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live market price action. This is the morning session. You guys know I love the morning session. And now what you're seeing are two different color bands, right? Not just one, okay? I'm now running both the regular vol and the mega vol. And let me tell you why. All right, let me tell you why this is, in my opinion, one of the best trading indicators out there to really get surgical with your trading. When I say surgical, I mean this indicator is going to help you look for and identify really small pockets in the market that can potentially explode for massive gains. All right, but first things first, let me tell you what you're looking at. So this first, you could say, smaller color band is the regular vol that you guys know and love. This thing does a pretty good job at predicting a trend change before it happens. All right, just simply turns green and red. Now this other larger color band is the mega vol. All right, and essentially what's happening here in this chart is we are pulling data from a higher time frame chart that also has the vol on it. And so what we're basically doing here in this chart is we are running a multi-time frame approach directly in a single chart. Does that make sense? So to put it another way, as an example, on a smaller time frame chart, you know, we might be a certain color, let's say green. But on a larger time frame chart, that other chart might be red, let's just say. Okay? And so what we're looking to do is we're only looking to take trades when both the smaller chart and the larger chart, which is now being drawn by this mega vol indicator, all right? Both of these color bands have to match. You guys understand what I'm saying? All right, so now let me really get you dialed in here, okay? The first technique I'm going to show you here should not be new to you. You guys know that I love something called retracements. I love pullbacks. I live for pullbacks. When I see a pullback, I start drooling, all right? I start giggling like a schoolgirl because I know whenever I get a retracement, that's typically going to be a very, very high probability setup. Okay, so a retracement, in case you guys were wondering, is whenever the market comes up a little bit and then retraces underneath the regular vol band, right? Meaning it's got to come all the way underneath the color and it's got to give us one of these. You guys know what this is, right? This is a green reversal bar. Why green? Well, it's got to be a color match, right? Green bar against a green vol. So this is basically the ideal setup that we're looking for. And now what we are also looking for is it's got to be a color match with the higher time frame vol. You understand what I'm saying? So green on top of green on top of green. Ladies and gentlemen, this is called triple confluence, where you're waiting for several things in a row to line up at the exact same time. Okay, that happened here. We got triple confluence. The potential trade, we'd look to go long this market on the open of the next bar. All right, we'd look to place our stop loss 1 or 2 ticks underneath that signal bar right there. And if I fit this in and show you how this trade played out, my goodness, folks, this was an absolute doozy for 700 ticks. All right. or pips if you follow along in Forex. And look, I know you're asking yourself, well, hey, Mark, it worked on the upside. How about the downside? What happens whenever the market sells off? Can you get the same identical setups just on the flip side? Well, you tell me, right? Here we go again. The market sold off hard in the afternoon session. You can see here the regular vol is red. Okay, so then what do? What do we do with the regular vol, right? We look for a pullback. We look for a retracement. We want to see the market come back up above the smaller color band. It does so right here. We also get a color match, right? We get a initial color match, meaning a red bar against the red vol. And now we also have a red mega vol. You understand what I'm saying? Can you guys now start seeing how this could potentially be one of the most powerful trading systems and setups ever, right? So now we basically have triple confluence happening right there. And so we'd look to go short this market on the open of the next bar. Our stop loss would get placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips above this signal bar's high. And this thing just cratered for another 400 ticks or pips if you're following along in Forex, and we got in right over there. So yeah, man, I'm really excited to put this new mega vol into your guys' hands. If you're an existing customer and you want to get your hands on this new mega vol, definitely get in touch. Don't waste any time. Contact me today and I'll probably make you the deal of a lifetime. For everybody else, if you're still on the sidelines, you're fumbling and bumbling around with your garbage indicator charts, then guess what? You've missed the best start that the market's ever had in 20 years. Yes, that's the truth. You can look it up. This market had the best January in 20 years. And so professional traders made money, serious traders made money, and the amateur traders and retail traders, they got their faces chopped off. Right? So all I can say is take massive action in your life, get off the sidelines, get involved, and stop being an amateur. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.